New year, new goals. I am Sydney, and I am a huge fan, supporter, lover of the law of attraction, affirmations, manifestations, and I really want to take some time this new year, 2021, to just embrace that and talk openly and to the YouTube fam and just to the universe about my goals for this year. So let's jump into them. The first major goal I have for 2021 is to learn Spanish. I feel like I can understand it fairly well, but once I come across a true Spanish speaker and they just start talking and it gets super fast, I get lost. And I just really want to learn Spanish. It's part of my heritage. It's literally who I am, where I'm from, and I just want to learn it. I just want to learn it just like for me, for myself, for my family. And if y'all are interested in learning Spanish as well, please watch this novela on YouTube for free with me. It's called The Queen of Hearts, or Reina de Corazones. I don't even know if I pronounced that right, but it is so dramatic, y'all. Within the first 5 minutes of this novela, so much happened, more than all of crazy 2020 as a whole. Whenever they say Spanish novelas are hardcore, like I fucking believe it. But I will say the best thing about this novela is that it's on Telemundo and that it also has English subtitles. So I always like rewind, or I kind of like listen to the same verses over and over again and just relate them, because I've tried to learn Spanish with like B, C, like with the alphabet, but I just feel like I'll learn better if it's like with actual instances. And plus, you know, we just recently watched Selena and she learned Spanish from novellas, so, you know, I'm jumping on the wave. Jump on the wave with me. Come on. My second goal for 2021 is to get more active. And that's a little surface level, so to get a little bit deeper into it, I want to work out twice a week. Like, I want to sweat, get sweaty, just do something active twice a week. So I've decided to dedicate Tuesdays and Thursdays for sweat days, Sid sweat days. I don't know. And every day I at least want to take some time to get outside or go for like a daily walk. Just something, some way to get at least a little bit active, or at least get outside in general, as I feel like 2020 I was just too cooped up inside. Working from home, doing shit from home is just sometimes overwhelming, and there's nothing like natural, beautiful sunlight to save the day. Side note, random note, one of my favorite authors ever, well, actually one of my favorite books is called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, and he is super big on his hashtag daily walk. So that's something I really want to do and focus on. So just getting outside and sweating Tuesdays and Thursdays, and every single day going outside just for like a little mini walk or just to go sit outside. But I just want to spend more time with nature and just more time being active. My third goal for 2021 is probably going to be one of my hardest goals, to be super honest, and that's getting completely out of debt. I have been on a super long but very great, I like roll my eyes when I say it, but very great debt-free journey. Jerome and I are huge advocates of Dave Ramsey and just how he believes living a debt-free lifestyle. And up to date, I have killed all of my debt except for my student loan debt. So 2021 is the year that I want to tackle my student loans, the debt that I owe, but that's just something I really want to work on and focus on. It's quite a fat chunk, to be super honest. Maybe I'll have another video where I go into depth about my debt-free journey, how I started, how I even got it done so far, and where I'm at right now. So that's one of my main huge goals for, and probably my hardest goals for 2021, is to get completely out of debt. That's all I have left, but it's the fattest amount that I have left. So we'll just leave it at that. My fourth goal I have is completely maxing out my IRA. I am not super great with financials, to be super honest, but I just opened an IRA last year did not max it out, but that's just definitely something I feel like I owe to myself when I want to give myself. It's about 6 grand a year, which I guess varies and depends on what bank you use, but I know the one that I'm using is at 6,000 max, and that's just something I really want to try to achieve. And again, I'm not a huge financial gal, I really don't know a lot, so I'll try to link some of my favorite IRA information articles down below in the description box. That way you can learn about it too. Just check out the description. My 5th goal, and I feel what I'm like super excited and challenging myself for, is to get monetized. I am so close. Again, I am just so grateful for y'all's views, for y'all's subs, for freaking just giving me the time of day, because it's just one of my goals. I would love, honestly, to be a YouTuber full time. And so again, you know, that's just something I hope to do this year. I really would love to do this year. So again, thank you all so much for your subbing, for your comments, your likes, your just everything. Just watching this, like, I fucking love you guys. You guys are blessed. After your girl gets monetized, kind of ties into my 6th goal for this year, and that's to hit 10K subs. Okay, that's kind of a lot. But I'm a dreamer. I'm an Aries, and that's just what I do. I love to dream and shoot for the stars and just try my best to be the best I feel like I can. And my goal for 2021 is to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So, seems crazy now, but I hope next year to look back on this and be at 10,001 and be like, you did it, girl. You did it. And finally, my last goal for 2021 is to invest at least in 1 stock a month. Again, y'all, I don't know shit about financials, and I will own that. Do not take any financial advice from me. I don't know what I'm talking about half the time. I invest in penny stocks, and that's what I do. But I will tell you guys, investing is something that I've learned to just do it. Like, the younger you start, the better you are off now. And I honestly didn't know like anything about investing until I met my fiance. I legit thought you had to have like a secret meeting with the banker people on Wall Street, or it was just some extravagant huge event that I did not have access to. And thankfully, with technology and this amazing app called Robinhood, you don't have to do that. Or I don't even know if that was real, but it makes it all so easy and so simple to where even Sydney could do it. So Robinhood is literally just an investment trading app. Again, y'all, I don't know shit, so don't take any financial advice from me. But if you're feeling froggy and you're feeling good and you wanna just invest, if you download the app, you will literally just get a free stock. So technically, you fucking already invested. You're in the market, you're dabbling, you're doing your thing. And I think it's pretty dang dope. And the ranges for these stock, $1 to like $1,200. So honestly, take your chances, live your best life. I would definitely recommend just downloading the app, getting the free stock, and seeing what happens. Again, I don't know shit. So please don't do anything that you don't really know about. Honestly, y'all, I feel like the biggest way to get started is just taking the first step. And truly, you can't really go wrong. You get a free stock, and it's just literally, now you're in the market. Now you're trading stocks. You're living your best life. Your net worth just went up. With that being said, I would love to hear y'all's goals. I would love to hear what your plans are for 2021. What would you like to accomplish? Even if it sounds crazy, like hitting 10K subs or investing in 1 stock a month. I just feel life is just too precious to not do what you love, or say what you love, or embrace what you love. I just feel like sharing my goals with you all hopefully will give you all some inspo, and just know that your dreams are never too big. Seriously, there's enough love and room for everyone. I feel it. You're amazing and I love you. Bye.